What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. I hope you guys had a very great Christmas and will be waiting for your New Year's parties. A couple of days back, I did a video review on wking D9 outdoor wireless speaker, which was running the old version of firmware. Well, now manufacturer wking have released a new firmware, which I'm going to show you how you can update it and what would be the output of it if it's compared with the old firmware. Now, what are very important and main changes you're going to expect from the latest version of firmware for your D9 will be the bass. Actually, you're going to notice a lot of improvement in the bass output of the speaker. I have already done update on one of my wking D9s. Now let me show you very in detail that how you're going to update yours if you have it. Now, if you don't have wking and you only wanted to see the performance of it, the timeline would be available on your screen. But if you wanted to upgrade your D9 Bluetooth speaker, let's start with. Now, first thing which you need to do is download firmware update as zip file available in the video description. Once it's downloaded, you need to extract it on your Windows PC folder. Once that folder is completely extracted, now within this folder you're going to see three different files available. One is the instruction, which is a written instruction. Second one is a media product tool, and third one is your firmware for your D9 Bluetooth speaker. Now you need to extract the media product tool by right clicking and click onto the extract button. Once it's extracted, will be available as a media product tool. Open it up, double click onto the media tool and double click onto the set. You have to install the software on your PC. Once it's installed, available in your Windows startup in here called media product tool. Now by clicking on to this replace firmware button, remember to locate the firmware which you have already downloaded on your PC from the link which I have provided on my video description. Click on it and click onto the open button here. Now here is going to tell you what are the firmware versions are in there. By clicking onto the replace button, you will be right in here. Now first thing you gotta do is basically connect your wking D9 with your PC with provided USB-C type cable. Very simple and straightforward. Have used the USB-C port on the back of the Bluetooth speaker and connected with my PC. Now in here, first thing you need to do, press and hold minus button for quite a long time. Following with the pressing the power on button for a long time as well. Now what you're going to see that your Bluetooth speaker will be connected by using the USB port with your computer, and is working right in here. Now release the hand from the minus button, but keep your hand on the power button. Click onto the download button and keep your hand on the power button as well. Now once download is completed, you're going to see your Bluetooth speaker powering up and all these things ready up, and now you can let it go. Well, now you have seen it all, how easy and straightforward it is to upgrade the firmware of your wking D9 outdoor wireless speaker. Was it straightforward or not? You can comment on that part. Now let's go ahead with the performance. Now to differentiate between updated and non-updated version of Bluetooth speaker, on my left hand side without any white stripe on the handle, I have got a non-up-to-date wking D9, and here I have got an updated version with the white band on top of it. Now let's go ahead with the performance test, where I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube, and I would highly recommend every one of you to please use earphones or headphones if possible. honestly speaking, I can actually see the difference between the latest firmware up-to-dated D9 with the non-up-to-dated version. I will be updating both of these Bluetooth speakers and enjoy the full basic true wireless stereo for myself. Now, you tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. That what you think, is there an improvement in the bass or not? There will be a lot of comparison between the bass version with all other speakers available in the market like Extreme 3, Transgo, SRS XB43 and many more to come in the future. So you should stay tuned for that for sure. Now, I have definitely seen an improvement in up-to-date version of D9 with the latest firmware, and I would highly recommend every one of you, if you already own wking D9 and you have not got the right bass which you expect from it, you can update it to the latest version. You're not going to regret a single bit at all. Bass is fantastic. I cannot compare any Bluetooth speaker in a similar range can beat wking D9 at all. Now that would be my opinion, and that's my conclusion as well. Now I'm ending this video right in here, and I've shown you how you can update the firmware of your wking D9 and all the performance output as well. Now that would be completely all from my side, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more on my channel. Now that will be all, guys. See ya, bye, and have a nice and happy new year.